little import time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. One from Britain, 1979 MG Midget convertible. Next to last year for the Midget. Discontinued in 1980. Of course, the American version, the 79, would have the front bumper covers due to U.S. regulations. Ride height's a little bit higher. Underneath the hood, they called these a Midget 1500. And basically underneath the hood was a 1493 cc engine. Was a cast iron inline 4-cylinder overhead valve engine. That is paired up with a manual transmission. Now, if you want to see the still pictures, see the underside of this car, engine bay, trunk, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. This particular color appears to be the original color of the car when you look at the jambs, the engine bay, and it would have been pageant blue. And this was a color that was available in 1979 in an MG. We're going to take a look at the odometer here when we get around to the driver's side too. This vehicle has been with the same owner for the last 25 years. Looking at the car and judging by the odometer and what is believed to be original miles in this car. So the saddle color interior, of course, bucket seats. There's that 4-speed manual transmission down on the floor. Black vinyl top, which is a nice shape. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, something else I want to show you. It's going to go along with this is you have the jack, you have a spare tire that was in the trunk, took out for pictures, also fuel lines, some manuals. But here's kind of the cool stuff that goes with it. You do have the convertible top boot that will snap on, and there's also the cockpit cover and the bags they come in. So I just want to let you know those accessories do go with this car. And before this video is over, we're going to run the top up. It is a manual top, of course. We'll fold it up, latch it up and everything. Let you take a look at that. Black vinyl, also in nice shape. And it'll be in the still pictures also. Once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. You can see the paint, nice luster to it. And again, I believe this is the original color of this car, pageant blue. For those of you in YouTube land or see this on our website, you know where the paint code is on this car. Let me know. Love to shoot a picture of it. Some of these British and the imports just don't know as well. There's a lot more of the American models that we do. The one thing that I can show you on this one also, and I've been noticing on more and more of the 70s cars we get in, the rust inhibitors. You can see right here where the plug is. So this car did have the rust inhibitor sprayed in it. There's also a spot on the bottom of that door I noticed. And then take a look. It doesn't appear that there's really any rust, anything bubbling out. I don't think this thing's been driven a lot in inclement weather. And it seems like those rust inhibitors on the cars that we see those plugs in have actually done what they're supposed to do. So for what it is worth, I just want to make you aware of that, let you know about it. We're going to go ahead and fire this up. I do have it in neutral. I'm just going to reach in. It's going to fire right off. All right, now when I talked about the miles on this, 29,047 is what it reads. Get around there. There you go, 29,047. And again, once a car is so old on the title, it will not stay on the title as far as actual miles. But judging by the condition of this car, would not surprise me at all. As you can see, the fuel gauge is working, tack works, blower fan works. All 3 wipers work. You have 3 wipers in a window this size, I guess. And then, of course, the radio, I did not get that to power up, FYI. So a heads up there. Slip around to the back. Sounds like you'd expect. Doesn't smoke. It's nice sounding little MG. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. The hood latch, FYI, is on the center console on these. Right down there, you can see it. I'm going to pop that, get the hood open, and we'll check out the engine bay. Look how nice and tidy this is. And when I say original color of the car, original miles, you can see the whole engine bay. Also in this pageant blue. Now, you do not see any paint lines or any of the stickers. Like I have said in other videos, if you've seen them, we welcome third-party inspectors. If you want somebody else to put their eyes on this, if you can't make it, we have an open door policy form. Feel free to have somebody else look at the car. Otherwise, take a look at the still pictures, look at them close, zoom in on them, and see what your thoughts are. Officially a 1493 cc inline four-cylinder, was nicknamed 1500. Again, cast iron block. Overhead valve engine. And you can see it's a nice tidy engine bay. Looks very authentic how it would have came back in '79 from MG. Alright, so we're going to shut this off, close up the hood. I'm going to fold up that convertible top, get her latched up so we can take a look at that too.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go, top flipped up. This looks original to me also, as far as the vinyl on it. Everything's sewn, kind of the age of it, and it's in nice shape. You can see how tight it fits up front on the windshield. Latches work great. Folds right up. You can see the clear plastic on it. It's not all deteriorated, or lots of times you'll see yellowing. Obviously, you're going to get some folds where it folds down on the sides there. That is also in nice shape. And remember, you still have the boot that goes over this when it's down, and then you have the cockpit cover where theoretically you could put that on and drive if it was in the rain, the way the zippers are in it. And you can see that in the still pictures, and I'll hit those one last time here where you can see them at. So there you go. Nice top on it also. Everything about this car, just clean and tidy. 1979 MG Midget 1500. Still pictures, unique, classiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and that number is 507-386-1726.